Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite T20 T225 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and take out the SIM tray, and then follows with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM slot using a picker and car pry tool. And then, by using a picker or plastic car pry tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. If the selected edge is not relaxing, use a pry tool to create a wider gap. And then use the picker to release the gaskets on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the bracket by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, peel both the adhesive tabs from the bottom of the battery. And then, gently extract both strips from the battery. This process may take some time. And then pull out the not working battery from the body. If you broke the adhesive strips, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, place a new battery on the body with adhesive strips. Next, connect the battery plug, and then place the bracket by adding 6 screws. Next, starting from the bottom, place the back cover and then move to the top. Ensure the clips are tightened and then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.